Hydropower energy or station. Hydroelectricity is nothing but conversion of energy from flowing water into electricity. It is categorized as renewable energy source because the water cycle is constantly renewed by the sun on periodic basis. Today, modern hydropower plants produce electricity using turbine and generators. Mechanical energy created by the moving water spins rotor on the turbine. This turbine is connected to an electromagnetic generator which produces electricity when turbine spins. Generator is connected to transformer which helps in increasing the voltage. Hydropower energy can be produced in two ways. Dams. Run of river. In case of dams, hydropower station utilizes the potential energy from dam water to produce electricity. A dam is large barrier constructed to raise the water level and also control its flow. The elevation created by the dam creates the gravitational force for turning the turbine when water is released. This turbine is connected to the generator which produces electricity through electromagnet. Water pressure increases as it reaches the turbine blades through penstock. Here electricity is generated by using kinetic energy of the flowing water. Note: water coming out of dam are stored in an additional reservoir at the base where water can be pumped to the higher reservoir to generate additional electricity when it is in demand. This is called as pumped storage hydroelectricity. In run-of-river hydropower station also uses turbine and generator. However, it mainly relies on natural water flow rates of rivers. Here, just portion of the water diverted through turbine to generate electricity. Since run-of-river hydro is subject natural water availability, electricity generation is more intermittent as compared to dam hydroelectricity. There are various sizes of hydropower plants that produce electricity. Large hydropower plant has capacity of more than 30 megawatts. Small hydropower plant has capacity of 100 kilowatts to 30 megawatts. Micro hydropower plant has capacity of less than 100 kilowatts. Note: of all renewable energy sources, hydropower holds the largest share of worldwide electricity production. However, due to recent development and adoption of solar power plant across the world, share distribution will change in the future. Benefits of hydropower energy. 1. It is a cost-competitive form of electricity. 2. It is quite reliable compared to other available renewable electricity production options. 3. It pairs well as with other sources as it can be used as base load power. 4. In some cases, dam reservoir can also help with flood control. 5. It can also act as reliable water supply for the communities. Disadvantage of hydropower energy. High initial cost of construction. Construction of large dam has a major impact on the local environment, like changing wildlife habitats, blocking fish passage and relocation of communities living in nearby areas, etc. Dam failure can be catastrophic and can create major damage to communities. Hydro plants are also not completely free of greenhouse gas emission. As with most form of energy, carbon dioxide emissions happen during construction, particularly large quantities of cement used. Plus, formation of methane in the flooded areas underwater is another form of greenhouse gas generated.